Welcome to today's first episode of Shop Wars, the Sunroof edition. This is Stephen Fatucci live from New Jersey. Yeah! Today is going to be an action-packed day. In one corner, we have Cesar, El Mejor, Instalador, de Techo, Salor. Yeah! Facing off against the dynamic duo, Two-Speed Steve and Gio, the One Eyed Bandit. The referee today will be the legendary Bobby Joe, and the judge will be Leonardo Morganelli. Shop Wars, the Sunroof edition. It's sponsored by Signature Sunroofs, Auto Action Group, Sansone Auto Mall, Fetty Kia, Paramus Hyundai, North Plainfield Nissan. Now, what we've all been waiting for, let's get this battle started. Guys, welcome back. It's been a long day today. 2, 3 very, very aggressive installers. Doesn't make my day easy as a judge. We got the dynamic duel. Those guys, great teamwork, doing a great job. And then we got our solo artist. This guy looks like he's got 3 people working for him, but he's only one guy. I'll tell you, between all of them, I've seen some very impressive installs today. This is definitely not an easy choice, but I do have to choose one, and I do have my answer. All right, we finally finished up this competition. It's been a very, very good competition, and we do have a winner. And today, the dynamic duel did not take home first place, but they did a fantastic job with their install. The winner of Shop Wars, the Sunroof edition, goes to Cesar.
Give a shout out to top coverage in Chicago. 3 sunroofs in 8 hours. New York's #1, baby.